All right, so we got the GROM and the exhaust finally came today. So we're gonna do a little before and after, of course, so everybody can hear. I turn this bad boy on, start her up. It's next to nothing. I mean, especially when it warms up, it's super, super quiet. So this is the AODONLY, or however the hell you say it, I don't know. Titanium dual exhaust. It comes, splits right before the shock down there and comes out in two super cool blue looking titanium pipes. So we're gonna go stick that sucker on and see how she sounds. All right, well, it looks like most things are 12s. So, you know, all these bolts and everything here seem to be all 12. So we're gonna pop this off, put the new stuff in. Wow, look at that. That is sharp. Damn. Wow, look at that. That is badass. Alright, you see we got it mounted. I wasn't real happy about the mounting position being over the label. Would have rather it been here, but it would have pushed the pipe down too far. So what I did is I have the delete right here, and I just put it right there on the edge. Okay, a couple self-tappers in there, and they ended up right here. I don't know if you can see that, but right there next to that bolt is where they both popped out. So that worked out pretty well. All right, so we finally got it installed. Okay, it's pretty awesome. I think they look badass. It looks like an ass end of a F-16, but the baffles are different in each one. You see, this one's got holes and whatnot. This one's got some sort of, you know, regular plug baffle in it. So I don't know what to make out with that, but other than that, they look pretty badass. So we're gonna start it up, see how much different it sounds. Ooh! Oh wow! Wow, it's so much better. It actually like thumps with some bass. Wow, that's cool. Oh, that's awesome. So the kit was super easy to install. It really, really was. But one thing to mention is these have these, you know, I guess third piece that you put on. They have a curve to them, okay? You need to curve them in, not outward. Otherwise, your pipes will be sticking out sideways like this. So they need to curve in so that they line up. And they still stick out pretty decently. So, but boy, you get rid of this thing right here, which is really heavy. I mean, it's got to be 15 pounds. And that, like, you could just carry it under your arm, the whole package. I mean, it was like nothing. So I'm guessing that's maybe a third of the weight of the stock. So I'm excited to get her going, see what's up. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's literally louder. So fun. I forgot my sunglasses. top speed.